Everyone has the ability to increase our intuitive sensitivity. It is the most important success that we can achieve if we need to fulfill our ability as effective beings of a radiant light and unconditional love. Our instinct is found in every moment, available for our realization and personal enhancement. It's far what we definitely know without doubt or fear. Our social, familial, educational, spiritual, and media programming have saved us from realizing the fact of our being. By misdirecting the lessons of our religious masters, our learnings is designed to maintain us in worry and submission to forces that diminish our lives for the advantage of negatively orientated beings who want our life pressure because they have rejected their own true essence. They are our parasites and want to be purged from our experience. That is happening now because the energetics of the Earth and our galactic environment are getting more nice in alignment with the important being of all existence. It is a cosmic phenomenon. This is occurring with the converting of the long time. Our sun is brightening, and the resonant frequencies of the Earth are growing, as visible on the resonance graph. These cosmic forces are destabilizing negativity and all who identify with it. This is the reason our negatively orientated politicians and those who control them are becoming insane. Evil has been interfering with the transformation procedure, like making an exclusive form of the poor events to disturb and distract from the process of ascension. Unfortunately for them, they may be no longer capable to exist in higher vibrations. Those new vibrations are very poisonous to them. So their plans keep falling aside. Divine is destroying the consequences of pre-planned agendas to damage humankind. The device, which changed into made million years in the past, right now is on verge of collapse. They couldn't anymore patch the broken matrix. Evil is realizing that their ruling is coming to the seas, and lots of them are leaving your planet in depression. I need to specify the importance of stopping the consumption of meat. Your bodies were now not designed to digest a residing flesh. For you to ascend the human frame, desire to switch foods to more healthy ones with non-meat. The bodies want to transform from flesh into light ones. Please include the meditations into daily timetable as important a part of your day. Lots of you dip your toes into the recent bath water, that is that fifth size from time to time, and also you stay there for a long time as you can. Whenever you do this, you deliver some of that energy back with you to the fold. You come back down. However, you are modified with the help of the experience. And you are projecting a different type of cognizance, an exclusive stage of recognition, and the rest of humanity feels that. You do recognize that you could help others shift simply along with your presence, simply by means of emanating love out for your beingness. You are supporting every person there on Earth. This shift isn't always about the win, and we assume we've established that it's now not about things going on outside of you, but it's far about you and the vibration you provide. Imparting a high vibration more continuously has a large effect than something you may do right now. That is what the ones of you who are truly awake recognize. Even without beings, and collectives like ourselves telling you. In reality, many, lots of you who are a part of the brand new age connection simply emanate love due to the fact you understand that's how you need experience. Our instinct is beyond polarity and is most effective existence improving, so that you can open our recognizing to it. We may be calm, clear, and alluring, at the same time as aligning our intention with energies that are wonderful and uplifting. While we are open and receptive to our inner understanding, we may be talking with the cognizance of our Creator. Here, there are no limits. We will begin to understand our eternal, endless presence of cognizance and limitless creative capacity. We are now not trusted ourselves sufficient to use it well. It's far only the limiting ideals about ourselves in our ego cognizance that keep us from knowing our truth. By using our vibrations and polarity, we are the sole creators of the traits of our existence experiences. Aligning with our intuitive understanding transforms our lives into experience of abundance, freedom, gratitude, and pleasure, irrespective of what can be taking place around us. You are there to not only make it to 5D, you are there to enjoy the journey which you are on, and we are right here to help and to support. We are here to remind you of what, however, which you occasionally forget, because you acquire stuck up in a person else's concept of what the shift is all about. Now is it slow to shine, because you are needed a lot by people who will in no way meet you, never read a book or weblog that you've read, and never watch a video that you've made. And we are saying that because we want you to realize that your effect is bigger than your reach into the ears and eyes of those that you are capable of accomplishing. You are reaching the souls of your fellow human beings because your souls continually feel that connection to each and everyone that exists on planet Earth right now.